Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary topic that could change your life. This secret recipe ends menopause misery in 72 hours. If you're tired of battling hot flashes, mood swings, and sleepless nights, you're in the right place. This simple yet powerful recipe harnesses the incredible benefits of red berries to help alleviate menopause symptoms quickly and effectively. Are you struggling with the discomfort of menopause? You're not alone. Many women face challenges like weight gain, anxiety, and fatigue during this time. But what if I told you there's a delicious solution that can help ease these symptoms in just 72 hours? Today, we'll explore a red berry recipe that's not only easy to make but also packed with nutrients that support hormonal balance and overall wellness. Imagine sipping on a refreshing drink made with vibrant red berries like strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries. These superfoods are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can help reduce inflammation and boost your mood. By incorporating this recipe into your daily routine, you can experience relief from menopause symptoms faster than you think. Here's how it works. 1. Boosts mood. The antioxidants in red berries can help combat stress and improve your emotional well-being. 2. Supports hormonal balance. Nutrients from these berries assist in regulating hormones, reducing those pesky hot flashes. 3. Aids digestion. The fiber content helps maintain digestive health, which is crucial during menopause. Ready to take control of your menopause journey? Check out the link in the description below for the full recipe and additional tips on how to make the most of these incredible red berries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more empowering health tips. Let's embrace this journey together, because you deserve to feel your best.